Any mention?
May it please your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 76.
70?
76, your lordship. Your lordship, here we're supposed to file an additional affidavit. I'll be filing it in the course of the week, your lordship.
Yes. When it submitted, I will be filed in the course of the day. This is 2 weeks.
1 week's time, your lordship, I'm paying.
After 1 week.
Obliged, your lordship.
Please, lordship, I beg to mention this item number 77, your lordship. This may be allowed to be because this person already appointed some other person, not the petitioner, neither the respondent. They have appointed a third person. I have given the copy.
Well, you appointed?
No.
Not.
You may place somebody else.
This is the copy. I have given the copy to him also. Now we may be allowed to withdraw with the liberty to file because now I was challenging the normative of that private respondent.
Now
Manta.
Purena has come.
No, yes, lordship. The third person, which is not in the party in the repetition.
Please take the item 77. Mr. Samala counsel with the petitioner submits that due to certain developments, he may be allowed to withdraw the incident petition with liberty to file afresh. If so advised, Mr. S. P. Mahantana, senior counsel for the private respondent, and where's the
JCDC? They also are aware. I have given the copy. I've instructed.
No, just the calling matter stands close on withdrawal, however, with liberty aspirate.
Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 73 and 74, my lord.
Yeah.
This is hearing, lordship. Let this matter may come after 2 weeks, my lord.
To the other side.
The one is suggestion Nogma matter.
Item 73.
74? 74. Objection?
74.
No
No.
objection. Then you're nodding. Yes, 2 weeks.
Lordship. Much lordship.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 80, my lord.
80.
My lord, the conducting counsel is on maternity leave, my lord, so I'm seeking some more time for filing our rejoinder.
Counsel,
Yeah,
number 80.
80, my lord.
Lordship, I have no objection, but I think the counsel for the Advocate General, for the Accountant General is not here.
That's all right, yes. 2 weeks.
Wait for Lordship.
Please, your lordship.
Lordship, back to mention item number 75, Lordship. So 2 weeks time will be given, Lordship.
No objection, your lordship.
Your father, Nehu?
Yes, your lordship.
No objection?
No objection, your lordship.
Yes, okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 79. The conducting counsel, Mr. S. Alindo, he is under bereavement.
No objections, your
Okay. Yes, you wanted to mention?
lordship. Your lordship, item number 78, your lordship.
Yes.
I have it for 2 weeks time, your lordship.
Where's Mr. Sangwar?
No objection.
Your objection?
No objection.
Yes.
Highly obliged.
Much lordship.
Wait, please, your lordship. Your lordship, I beg to mention item number 72. Your lordship, I pray for 2 weeks time as Mr. Philemon Nongbri is on sanction leave.
Sanction leave? How many days?
For the present day, your lordship.
2 weeks because it's only for today. No objection? 72.
Your lordship, similar prayer for item number 81.
No objection, Lordship. No objection.
What's happened to this matter?
Sir, your lordship, the matter is...
The Darbar is held.
No, Lordship.
Anyway. 2 weeks, okay, yes.
Highly obliged.
Much obliged.
We informed para respondents also.
Supplementary list item number 1.
Pension matter again.
Your Lordship, this second round of litigation, Your Lordship.
Who's what is counsel? Where's the Mr. Paryat? He was here just now. Yes, Mr. Paryat. You have received notice in this matter.
Lordship, we have not received the file as yet, Lordship.
Your Lordship, I would have an objection if they are appearing, Your Lordship, because they had appeared for the petitioners in the other writ petition.
Who had appeared? Mr. Paryat?
No, Your Lordship, but from their chamber, Your Lordship.
For which petitioners?
The other petitioners, Your Lordship, which is filed in 2011.
They're getting their pension.
They are getting their pension, Your Lordship.
Lordship, we have not received the file. Let it come
You
up
serve
tomorrow.
notice to the office.
I have served, Your Lordship.
You served.
I have served.
You heard MSPF Karwanda. Issue notice returnable in 2 weeks. Steps if we take it is submitted. That's the office already been served. However, there's no appearance on the behalf today.
Your Lord.
Just on so and so.
Your Lordship, there's an interim prayer, Your
Interim
Lordship.
prayer, then we have to hear them.
Your Lordship.
Interim prayer, then you.
Your Lordship, I have already served them on Monday before filing, Your Lordship, to the
Mr.
office.
Dindo, he has an objection to because you appeared for some other petitioners in the same matter. I don't know.
I'll seek instruction.
Yes. Change heard so and so, so you should notice. Mr. Dindo is in council with so and so is present. He please allowed to receive instructions as there are some objections to the councils who are appearing.
Yes.
Yes. Just after 2 weeks for consultation of for instructions and for completion interim prayer.
Highly obliged.
Item number 2.
May it please, Your Lordship, this is a retirement benefit case, Your Lordship.
After 10 days.
Yes, Your Lordship. Much
Notice, Ms. M. Ahmed is present. We have so put a notice. This of 10 days for instructions.
3.
This is another appeal, my lord, Pranam Rai. So
Just before the adventure wrote me. Yes.
4. Item number 4.
Yes. Yes. Where's the notice of submission?
Your Lordship also.
I am filing my written submissions, Manoj. There's just one fact which I want to bring to the knowledge of Your Lordship.
Yes. Yes.
Manoj, after the matter was, the order was reserved the day before yesterday, Manoj.
Yes.
But all through this, Manoj, the respondents have been informing the court that there is a corrigendum which is in the process of being issued.
Yes.
Manoj, which culminates into the fact that the charge sheet is not final.
Yes.
And Manoj, the proceedings are stayed because Manoj, they are issuing a corrigendum.
Yes.
Manoj, if Your Lordship has page 46 of my written submissions, please.
Please, Your Lordship, if I may interject, Lordship, if the counsel for the petitioner is having some submission, Lordship, I'm bringing the matter may come up at the end of the board, Lordship, and be heard in the presence. He's on the way, Lordship.
Let us see. Yes, just 1 second. We're not going to put you to any difficulty. Yes. 46.
Page 46, page 46.
Is the judgment? What is this?
But this is the order, Manoj. Page 46 is the order of 21st October 2025. Has Your Lordship got that?
Yes.
The second last page.
Yes.
The compilation.
Yes. Yes.
But I have received this order yesterday. Why
Yes.
this order? They have even appointed him as an inquiry officer.
No, well and good. Yes. We will pass orders.
That's all through this. Manoj, the respondents have been, in my respectable submission, misleading the honorable court that they are issuing a corrigendum.
We will examine that. We will
Whereas
examine
as per the
that.
own stand of the respondent.
Yes, Mr. Gupta will examine that. Yes, written note of submission have been filed. Reserved for judgment is.
Manoj, just one respectful submission.
Yes.
Since this order has now come, Manoj, I will be asked to join the inquiry proceedings since the since the inquiry officer has been appointed. Manoj, may kindly protect me, Manoj. That's my only submission. Otherwise, Manoj, it will be.
Item number 5.
Manoj, I have to again face victimization. since the issue of legality of charge sheet is before the court,
We'll pass the orders by, the order come out in 2 days. Don't worry, yes, yes.
You submit a written submission.
Very well.
But only one aspect, they have already responded to the so-called notice, my lord. They have submitted the reply.
No, but then they appointed an inquiry officer also.
Yes, and they have submitted the reply.
What about the corrigendum then?
Corrigendum, so they are saying that it's quite clear, my lord.
But there can be no corrigendum if I was appointed. That means the charge sheet as per them is final.
Right, right.
Only one thing,
Then the inquiry officer will be appointed.
I don't know the consequence, my lord. If you also are crossing, my lord, the liberty has to happen. Liberty to
No, I'm sorry, my lord. But that will defeat the purpose, my lord. But in my respectful submission, in my written submission,
that they cannot stop.
That my averment is that this action is out of malafide. Respondents themselves cannot decide whether their action is malafide or not.
But only one thing, Mr. Gupta, is that this appointed inquiry officer was done on 25th October. It has to be brought on record. Because it's been brought by way of written submission, we can just notice it, but then we'll pass orders accordingly. Yes.
Item number 5.
Yes, yes.
Yesterday, my lord.
Exactly. That's all right. We will
Very
take
well.
that.
Very well.
5.
Yes.
Please, Lord, please, Lord, excuse me, I have some problem with my video.
How can you not fix a program before, your problem after 2-3 days?
Please, Lordship, but I'm otherwise prepared, I can argue.
What's the matter? Is it alright, Dr. Mojika?
Yes.
Yes.
Please, Lordship, this is a case which is fixed for maintainability. Your Lordship may recall that this is a case where I had first instituted before the Rajasthan High Court.
Yes.
And thereafter I had sought withdrawal from the Rajasthan High Court and thereafter moved before your Lordships.
Where's the order of Rajasthan High Court?
Page 81, madam. 81.
Page?
81.
81.
Yes.
Please, Lordship.
Because this isn't,
an objection.
no, which order, this is, you filed in 2019.
Yes, Your Lord.
And you withdrew the matter in 25 after
Yes,
6 years. And then why should we entertain this petition?
And without liberty also, madam. There's no liberty granted by the Rajasthan.
Does not say anything that you will approach a court of competent jurisdiction.
Yes. Please,
Then-
Your Lordship, see my application. Your Lordship would find that application for withdrawal at page 78.
But then if the court didn't accord you
Please,
liberty,
Your Lordship, you see that the court has specifically recorded that my application is allowed. And this was my specific prayer before the Rajasthan High Court. In fact, if Your Lordship were to see my prayer, that's at page 79.
yes.
This was my specific prayer, and I had in fact named this honorable court while seeking withdrawal, and that was specifically allowed by the Rajasthan High Court. And for that, Your Lordship, I have 2 judgments to place before Your Lordships. That once the application says with liberty, and that
Now the liberty sought is that you couldn't pursue not on the cause of jurisdiction, but because the case could not reach. That's what you said in your para 3 of your application.
Yes.
79.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship is right, but in fact, you
That means that your submission there was that Rajasthan High Court had jurisdiction also to take up the matter.
Your Lordship, that was
Then?
actually not worded better because Rajasthan.
Not worded better. That means that you're seeking, by what do you call it, forum hunting.
Yes, I quite agree
Then?
with that, Your Lordship. But that, in fact, Your Lordship, you see that Rajasthan High Court never had jurisdiction in the first place because.
But your application does not say so. It does not say. Where does the application say that? Where does the application say that the matter has to, the High Court, the jurisdictional High Court is the Meghalaya High Court. Number 3, you said that, however, despite the matter being listed on number of occasions, but number could not reach, whereas the normal Meghalaya High Court, they being less than of cases, numbers reach frequently. Is that an excuse?
judgments before your lordships to show that Rajasthan High Court never had the jurisdiction.
Then you not that does not the pray before the Rajasthan High Court.
And in fact, your lordship, they had raised this very objection in the counter affidavit filed before the Rajasthan High Court to say that Rajasthan High Court never had jurisdiction. So I have placed that counter before your lordships.
Where's the counter?
Please, your lordship, I have filed the counter also. Your lordship, just give me a moment. Please, your lordship, would find the counter at page 59.
Paragraph. Where is that paragraph where he made the objection as jurisdiction? Yes? Where is that? Here they made submissions on merits. I mean, affidavit merits of the case.
Yes.
Where is that?
Please, your lordship, it's not there in the
Then?
counter affidavit, but Rajasthan.
Neither is there in the application nor in the counter affidavit. You have not challenged jurisdiction. So if we
Yes, but can I place before your lordships two judgments to say that where an application has been allowed with liberty, so that liberty has to be read in the order.
Sarguja transport case, liberty, if we granted, it has to be reflected in the order. Yes.
Please, your lordship, have the
Because your prayers for, see one thing, MS Lamba, right? Your name?
Yes, your lordship.
Yes. You have not prayed for withdrawal to file afresh before the High Court of Meghalaya. Your prayer for transfer. Any application, you see your application filed before the High Court of Rajasthan. And it's not a case of where it's allowed and the matter has been transferred here. For transfer a case, you can't file for High Court. For transfer one High Court, another High Court, you have to go to Supreme Court. So even your application for Rajasthan High Court is incompetent. So where does that leave us?
Decided to that extent. In fact,
Then?
the proper remedy would have been to file a transfer petition.
Yes. So we'll dismiss your, as it is already hopelessly delayed. So and your petition is allowed, and your petition is allowed the transfer. Your petition, if you even say it's allowed, what was allowed the transfer petition. Now that we can't take cognizance of that. Because it's a fresh petition you file. You prepare yourself, we'll hear you again.
Very well.
Yes. And get your technical glitches fixed.
Otherwise, it was a recruitment of 2018, madam. For 7 years.
Let them have it. It's a good learning experience. Yes. Yes. You want to withdraw the matter?
Rajasthan High Court, while issuing notice, had granted the intended relief so that seat has been kept.
Doesn't matter. You still to cross the threshold of whether this court ends a matter at all. Yes. Less after 2 weeks. Enable the just 2 weeks for the orders. Yes.
Daily list item number 1.
On the prayer of the platform of the petitioner.
Please, Your Worships. My Lord, in this case, I am appearing for the managing committee. And in fact, my Lord, on the last occasion on my prayer, my Lord, that at this stage I am not filing any affidavit. Because on the basis of these materials, my Lord, this is not maintainable. Because this same writ petitioner, my Lord, she participated in the selection for teacher in a deficit school. And she was not appointed, though she was selected, not appointed on the ground she is overaged. She brought this contentious issue before this court. This court ultimately held that you are not eligible. You are age barred. Matter went to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court upheld the decision of the division bench of this court. So as on date, she is not eligible. Now she has filed this writ petition, my Lord, questioning the fresh appointee, the qualification of the fresh appointee, my Lord. Now where is the locus standi, my Lord?
Lordship, that is not correct.
Where were you? You're not in the picture at all.
Lordship, in 3-4 rounds, there was not a question of nowhere was it found, Lordship, that I was overage. What had happened is, in 3 rounds of litigation, I was appointed, Lordship. I was duly appointed by the then managing committee, and then I filed a writ petition for approval of my service. That was allowed, Lordship.
No, we're not going to go there. The thing is that you just answer to
Lordship. Yes. Now my
Mr.
Lordship,
Sen has
when the
saying that you are not in the picture now because your 4-round litigation were on a parallel stream where you've been found not eligible, right?
Lordship, there is no finding that I have not been eligible. There is also no consequential direction to appoint that.
This new appointee, what is your?
She is not a new appointee, Lordship. She has been appointed by that very same selection process where I was actually selected, and that entire selection process was set aside, Lordship, on the ground that the OM issued by the government was not followed. There was no consequential direction to appoint that person, Lordship, who came second in the merit
So,
list.
on what consideration was this new person appointed?
That is why I filed this writ petition, Lordship.
You file a small affidavit,
Lordship,
Mr. Sen. This is
in the garb of public interest litigation. How can because tomorrow, suppose your lordship set aside the appointment of the private, she won't be eligible.
You put in an affidavit on the locus, then we will decide on admissibility. Yes, yes, Mr. Chanriso.
In 2014, my late friend and my party in the selection process, she was shortlisted number 1 and I was number 2. Now, managing committee has forwarded her name for the government approval. Government has done down that you are overage, 35 points. So therefore, government directed the managing committee to put up a new proposal. Against that, she has filed a writ petition. And she got the order in her favor without implementing us. Subsequently, I filed a writ appeal, seeking leave of the court, and division bench allowed me to implement as a party, made the remand back to the single bench. And single bench allow her writ petition. I prefer a writ petition, a writ appeal. Writ petition was entertained by the division bench of this court and held that she was overage. She was overage, therefore she is not eligible. Agree with that, she traveled to Supreme Court dismissed it. And pursues that government direction, managing committee put up my name as a second number 2.
Okay, so that's the case.
And
there was no direction. My case is that there was no consequential direction, Lordship. When the division bench
doesn't need the consequential direction.
The division
You're from the same list now. You are found overaged.
In my humble submission, Lordship,
the next one will come.
When the honourable division bench did not give any finding that I was overage or that she was qualified or I was not.
Division bench, the continuation of the proceedings.
They set aside the entire selection process, my lord. In my humble submission, that was the purport of the division bench.
Set aside the whole selection process.
Lordship, because they said that the selection process was not done in compliance with the OM, which is mandatory to be followed.
OM, that means prescribing the age limit.
Lordship,
or whether the
even qualification,
the manner of procedure for
the entire eligibility, Lordship, age, qualification.
My lord, this is my lord in the garb of a writ petition like a public interest. What business, what interest she has, my lord? Even if my lordship has set aside, she will not be considered. She is not qualified. Now, an unqualified person, my lord, can she question? There are category of decision. My lord, other cases we are arguing that cannot. Only we'll have to show that your right has been infringed.
Selection process is gone. Let them issue a fresh. They should have gone for a fresh
my humble submission. It cannot be, my lord.
Let them file it on.
My lord, why I am not filing? Because all these materials are before my lord. Supreme Court order is there. Division bench order is there. Everything is here, your lordship.
There is no finding that I was overage, lordship, and that the respondent number 6, who was second in the list, should be appointed.
You may not come to page number 129. Next year, this is a division bench order.
Yes.
And I may take a page para 11. The contention of the present petitioner.
Page 11.
Page number 129 of the appeal.
Annex 11.
Is the judgment of the division bench in the paragraph 11. It's running page number 133.
Yes.
The contention of the present petitioner was that there is no age limit for appointment as a teacher.
Where is that page? Para 11. On behalf of the petitioner.
On behalf of the petitioner, it is submitted that there is no age limit applicable as the relevant regulation governing the field not only did not provide for age limit, age bar, but such and such some rule which has been adopted in the state provides no person over 60 years of age shall be retained in the teaching staff except on protection of the certificate of physical fitness.
Yes.
That was the contention, my lord. I'll come to relevant para page number 136.
Yes.
The issue there.
Yes.
Para 27.
Para
17. Para 17.
Yes.
In the present case, the matter pertains to the fixation of the upper age limit for any candidate to be appointed as a teacher in a government in a school. Such a method does not require an act of the state legislature, and indeed, as there is specific reference to some service rules which have been adopted in the state, these methods are incorporated in the rules of the state, and under the delegated authority, this regulation can be amended and altered by the executive without requiring the formal imprimatur of the governor or of the officer specifically authorized in such a regard by the governor. The entire country has been created by the manner in which the state has conducted itself, and despite of the state, its legislature and the benefits of now being in place for more than 50 years, there is a level of maturity that seems to be lacking in its functioning. Well, I'll come to para 24. Page number 1. Well, this is quoted, and subsequently, well, I'll come to para 29, 28 and 30, the last page. It says, for the reason opposite, the judgment and order dated such cannot be sustained, and the same is set aside in its entirety. The respondent school will abide by the communication dated such 2014. But this it says the age limit. They are not annexing.
Where's this November 6, 2014?
They are not annexing. That is the age limit issued by the government as instruction. They didn't annex.
This is not in my
33,
record at any of the
30, though the
litigation
was unworthy in view of the fact that the entire anomaly was created by the state government in not circulating the decision of such and such. The petitioner is to spare the cost that she would otherwise have deserved. It will allow this petition.
Yes.
That exhibit instructions of 2014 also.
Yes.
The next page is the Supreme Court order.
Next page is the Supreme Court order, page number 121. Supreme Court dismissal. And my appointment letter, my page number 144, the last page. The last page.
Where's the result of the selection where she came first?
My lord,
the next year.
Come to page number 18.
1-8.
My lord. Page number 31.
32.
32 and 33.
32.
32, my lord. The select list, serial number of students are there provided.
32.
32 is the select list.
32 is the select list. Number 2 is, my lord, my party.
Right, Majusri Datta.
Yes. Persons to select list, my lord, the government has responded, page number 33. Dated 6 November 2024. It says, reference to your letter number sunset regarding appointment of Mr.
Then just produce that. Where's the government? Just bring that 2014 next date. And we'll close the matter. No need for affidavits. Yes, on the court, in the course of hearing the matter in question, maintainability, learned senior counsel, the H. So for the respondent number 6 has drawn attention of the court to the judgment order of the division bench dated 22/2022, wherein at para 28 thereof a communication dated November 6, 2014 has been referred to, which he submit has prescribed the cut-off date or the age limit. So, as the said document is not part of the records before this court today, the senior government advocate is directed to produce the same on the next date. Yes, this matter for next para for 2 weeks for further hearing on the question of maintainability. Then we have to inflict costs on you.
There was no
pursuing frivolous dog manger policy.
And I was not even overage. Of course, I'm not seeking a review of that, but
prepare.
Obliged.
See that your bank accounts are, replenished.
Please, Lordship.
Have you paid the cost?
Yes, Lordship. We have paid on that day only.
Very good.
This one is actually inadvertently the petitioner at the writ petition failed to brought this document of the registration job card holder. The job card holder is a job card registration actually both the respondent and the petitioner. They were the job card holder of the Ketagua, but both all the parties they fall under polling station of Aski Gandhi. It is on record. But their polling station is Aski Gandhi, but the job card holders it is on record, even the private respondent and also the petitioner, they are both getting the registration from the job card holders. But due
Anyway,
to
heard Mr. P.T. Sama,
yes.
just get some objections. You put your
Yes.
You file your objections, or you will.
5, 6, and 7.
You'll file your objections.
No, my lord, I have not received the copy.
It doesn't matter. Yes,
We'll supply the copy, my lord, today.
Issue notice, Mr. N.D. Shrilan, AAG with so and so, is present. Correspondence number
1 to 4, Your Lordship.
1 to 4. As such, no further notice called for this respondents. Ms. S. Hassan also is present. We have a 5, 6, and 7. As review petitioner stop review right to serve copies only by respondents within 2 days.
Yes.
This
Today,
matter after 2 weeks for objections.
Lordship.
Apply, Your Lordship.
Must be Lordship.
Item number 3.
Yeah.
Yes, my lords, I have received instructions that the representation has been decided. My lords, I am seeking some time to place it on record. The decision.
Why affidavit? Yes. Sole respondent?
Yes.
There's 2 respondents.
No, my lords. There are 2 respondents.
You are appearing for which respondent?
Both, my lords.
What is your name?
My lord, Himanshu Sherat.
Yes, Mr. So and so. Senate appearance on behalf of both the respondents who know. So notice is complete. He please for allowed 2 weeks time to file affidavit. Just after 2 weeks. Yes. File put it on affidavit. Yes.
Yes, my lords. Yes. Oblige, my lords.
Item number 4.
May I please, lordship?
Yes, Mr. Kumar.
Your matter pertains the benefit of Fifth Pay Commission for Clerical Trade, my lord. This is the covered case, my lord. We have received the copy of the affidavit in opposition. But all these points has already been discussed in the division bench order, my lord. So this is the covered case, my lord. So my prayer is it may be disposed of. However, my lord, the respondent authority has preferred an SLP, but SLP is still in defective, my lord, from last 2 months, my lord.
That's the only thing, my lord. We prefer an SLP. But what if the matter comes in February, my lord, or immediately after vacation? In the meantime, we'll try to expedite the SLP, my lord. Because there are hundreds of petitions, my lord.
241.
200 something.
42. Yes, Mr. Kumar, what to do? What do you have to see on the affidavit? What do you have to see in the affidavit? There's nothing.
My lord, in para 18, we have only said to my lord that because here what happened now, learned single judge dismissed the writ petition, my lord. Division bench reversed that, my lord.
Regarding the recruitment rule, my lord, that they have taken that the petitioners were enrolled after the 2002, my lord. But that point has already been discussed in the judgment, that is page 171, my lord, of my writ petition. Otherwise, this is a covered case, my lord. So prayer before your lordship, it can be closed, my lord.
Come immediately after vacation, my lord. Otherwise, they also approached court very late, my lord.
But they see this because these matters, Dr. Mozika, there's nothing left for the court to adjudicate or to
My lord, this is
nothing.
My lord, this is different, my lord. But this is with regard to clerical cadre, my lord. And in 2002, there were amendment to the rules, and these are the appointees who were appointed after amendment of the rules, my lord. So this was our plea, my lord, before the learned single judge. So being appointed after 2002, they knew the recruitment rules, and they are bound by the recruitment rules. They sought parity with the people appointed prior to 2002, my lord.
There is dissenting judgment in this matter?
No, my lord. Concurring judgment.
After 2000, person enrolled after 2002,
concurring judgment by Chief Justice, my lord.
Concurring but different on
few paragraphs, my lord.
Oh,
just to top up.
Right. Yes, this is warrant officer. We'll do one thing. We'll listen after 3 weeks. If you get
4 weeks, my lord.
Okay.
In the meantime, we'll try to expedite.
Yes. Mr.
3 weeks.
Submitted by Mr. V. Kumar that the matters is covered by decisions of the division bench of this court. Mr. Dr. M. Mozika praised that the matter visit after 4 weeks, they able to obtain specific instructions in view of the fact that an SLP against the said orders has been preferred. Yes, this after 4 weeks.
Item number 5.
Yes.
Deeply, Your Lordship.
Where's the rejoinder?
May I please, Your Lordships. I'll be filing my rejoinder, my lord. In the meantime, my lord, on the last occasion, I had pressed upon hearing on my miscellaneous.
File the rejoinder first.
My lord, this is, my lord, there is, because of the paucity of time, my lord, it might got infractuous also, my lord.
So you should have filed rejoinder by before today. You've got one rejoinders on board. You've got a word.
My lord, I'll be relying on my petition only for the limited purpose of hearing on the miscase.
What's your miscase about?
My lord, here, my lord, petitioner, my lord. My lord, I am challenging the departmental proceeding, my lord, the ongoing departmental proceeding on number of grounds, my lord. My first ground is, my lord, my lord, unexplained, my lord, inordinate delay of more than 6 years, my lord, and they too for, my lord, alleged offence of minor in nature, my lord. Secondly, my lord, for the last 6 years, my lord, I am in suspension, my lord, under
You're
suspension.
serving as what?
LDA, my lord. My lord, last 6 years, my lord, since my suspension, my lord, I have not been given my substitute allowance, my lord. That itself is a ground, my lord, for...
You've been given now?
No, no, my lord. They have been playing, my lord, hide and seek, my lord. They are coming up with, my lord, orders saying that I have been allowed, but it was never credited to my accounts, my lord. That apart, my lord, those are the major two grounds, my lord. Now, my the third ground is, my lord, my suspension, my lord, without holding any review meeting, my lord, whether to terminate it, set aside, or to extend it, my lord. That was never done, my lord. Number of grounds, my lord. So, my lord, at this juncture, after 6 years, my lord, suddenly they wakes up, my lord, and I have been served with a notice to appear before the DP, my lord, Departmental Proceeding Authority. So, my lord, that itself is also a ground for, my lord, for. So, my lord.
So you mean to say, Mr. Guru,
my lord,
that after you were suspended in 2019,
my lord,
nothing happened?
Nothing happened. Just in 2000.
No department proceedings were drawn up also.
Nothing.
Just
Only
suspended.
in 2025, my lord.
The thing is that these proceedings were contemplated to be initiated against you in 2019. Then nothing happened after
Nothing happened, my lord, for more than 6 years, my lord.
Then 2025,
my lord,
you received the
notice, my lord.
The notice
to appear before the
Are you sure that there's nothing in the intervening period?
No, my lord. 7 except one notice is.
Have they where's the affidavit?
My lord, prior to that, my lord, I was served with one first notice that 21st May 2025.
Someone affidavit that the proceedings had commenced.
Lordship,
Yes.
they commenced in the year 2019 itself, my lord.
No.
It's there on record, my lord.
Nothing.
Was she given notice and
No,
allowed
my
to
lord.
appear?
Lordship, actually, we have compiled the table, my lord. If Lordship could kindly come to page 18, Lordship.
Of the affidavit?
Yes, my lord. And with regard to the appointment of inquiry
No, not regarding the what do you call it, infractions. Regarding the department proceedings, when was initiated, whether notice was issued
On 21st May 2025, my lord. That was the first notice.
Where in the table doesn't show anything. That is only on 25 presiding officer. So you file a show cause. You already filed a show cause 19. Then 410.
My lord.
The 910 of inquiry officers appointed, presiding officer appointed.
My lord.
Then 2312 preliminary statement petition taken upon presenting officer.
My lord.
So from 19 to 25.
Yes. Nothing.
There's a big gap.
Lordship, kindly come to page 137 of my affidavit, Lordship.
So, I mean, if that's a table, then
My lord, the inquiry has started actually, lordship, and at page 137, my lord will see the preliminary statement of the petitioner herself given before the inquiry officer, lordship.
How can you maintain a DP regarding unauthorized absence?
My lord. And that too, it was my lord. It was approved, my lord. And when I was on leave, my lord, suddenly, my lord, I'm my lord, slapped with a.
But how do you say that you were not allowed subsistence allowance when this
Yes.
31st October 19?
No, my lord, it was never credited into my account. It is to be automatic, my lord. It was never
It's
given
not
to me.
automatic, my lord.
It's automatic.
It cannot be automatic.
Like
lord,
my salary, my lord.
kindly allow it to come for admission hearing, my lord. I'll place the facts on board, and my lord will see the conduct of the petitioner as what has led to today's the suspension, and also she is not participating in the inquiry conducted till date, threatening the process servers and all, my lord. My lord, everything will be placed.
Nothing is on the record, my lord.
You rejoined us being fined the course of the day.
My lord.
You rejoined us being fined the course of the day. You rejoined us ready.
My lord, if
You
I may,
haven't rejoined it because
if I may submit,
see, the thing is that you have to refute whatever is said here also. You file
in
rejoinder.
that case, my lord,
hearing and dispose of the entire matter.
in that case, my lord, I decline to file my rejoinder. My lord, my miscase may be heard.
Then you ready? No, we'll hear the whole matter.
Yes.
Yes, exactly.
So you take a date after 1 week.
My lord, by the time, my lord, because
1 week,
right,
you have not filed rejoinder since when, to Guru? You can't expect at
Today's the third day.
your convenience that urgency will come and no urgency will come.
My lord, if I
After 1 week, yes, Mr. Argun Guri submits that no rejoinder will be filed. Accordingly, as the matter appears to be urgent, list after 1 week for adoption hearing. Stop and endeavor shall be disposed of on that day itself.
Deeply.
You come prepared.
My lord.
With authorities also.
Item number 6.
Lordship, till now, no appointment has been.
There's a new CM? Already appointed?
No,
No.
No, not approved.
not approved as yet, because my lord has seen the conduct of the deputy CM.
No, I've not seen. Only that day we saw that funeral was held and and the new CM appointed. That came out in the news report.
No, that is incorrect, because my lord, now 1959 Act will come into play after the death of the CM. Now, what the deputy CM has done, he claims to have performed the last rites of the last CM.
So by rights, vested
right,
right, his right vested in him.
So that is still under consideration.
As we have waited for so long, my lord, better we wait, otherwise again.
That's wise. Yes, as it's submitted that the office of the respondent number 6 is still to be filled up. Let the matter stand over to 6 weeks. Yes, interim orders when it should continue. Yes.
We have made the Dorbashno also a party. They are yet to appear.
Yet to appear.
Yes.
That's one number.
Very important.
5, my
Yes,
lord.
also noted Sonor 5 has not yet entered appearance in spite of service or notice.
My lord.
Expected next date that there will be representation on behalf of one number 5. Darbar of
Majai, my lord. Much. Kali.
Item 49.
6 to 49, my lord. 48, my lord.
49.
The pleadings are complete here, madam.
Pleadings are complete, my lord. Sure.
You ready for the hearing? Matter, teacher matter?
No, my lord. This is, they're challenging the appointment of agriculture demonstrator, my lord.
Okay, party submit pleadings are complete accordingly. This matter for hearing. So on.
50.
Where's the affidavit?
Please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I pray for some more time to file an affidavit. We have just recently received instructions.
These are the instructions.
Yes, Your Lordship.
None appears as petitioner. MS so vice not because praise for further. How much time?
3 weeks time, Your
3 weeks
Lordship.
time to file affidavit.
Highly
Yes, there are
approach.
concerns.
51.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship will file the affidavit in the course of the day, your Lordship.
Where's the petitioner?
Petitioner is absent, your Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner, Mr. Andy Fly. Here for the petitioner?
My Lordship.
What's your name?
S.W. Sangma.
S.W. Sangma?
Yes, my Lordship.
So the court is name. Mr. Andy Fly. Later AG submits that after you find forth the day.
Lordship.
This after 2 weeks for the joinder of any.
Apply, your Lordship.
52.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm entering appearance on behalf of respondent number 5, Your Lordship.
What about 6? Service complete and all the service complete. Mr. Abraham, you're appearing for?
1 to 3, Your Lordship.
Then Mr. D for 4. 4, man. Then 5 you are appearing.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And 6. Yes, today Ms. Alian, the first center appearing on behalf of number 5, and Mr. S. Deb on behalf of number 6. Notice complete and all the respondents. Are you filing affidavit?
Yes, my lord.
Already filed it?
No, my lord. We will.
Abraham?
Granted, Your Lordship.
3 weeks time.
Will you filing affidavit?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, respondents pray for and allowed 3 weeks time to file the respective affidavits. This is the after.
53.
Your Lordship, the respondents are yet to file their affidavit, Your Lordship.
Lordship, in this case, I have received instruction time may be given 2 weeks time, Your Lordship. 2 weeks time may be given, Your Lordship.
The pension matter?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Then?
The private respondents is yet to appear in this matter, Your Lordship.
You're 4.
Respondent number 5, Your Lordship. Private
One of you served.
Yes, already served, Your Lordship.
But the office note says not AD card not received.
We have already filed our affidavit of service of record, Your Lordship. It was already served, Your Lordship.
AD office service. Oh, yes. Though an affidavit of service has been filed indicating service of notice on the respondent number 5, there is no appearance on behalf of the respondent today. So, Mr. H. Abraham, you want time?
Yes, Your Lordship.
And for 1, 2, 3, and MS, you pass up for 4 pre-phone allowed 2 weeks for the time for affidavits. Just after 2 weeks for affidavits and for appearance of respondent number 5.
Hello, Your Lordship.
54.
The respondents are yet to file the affidavit, Your Lordship.
I'm praying for some more time, Your Lordship.
Who's 1 to 7? What's the matter about?
It's for the pension, Your Lordship.
There's also pension. Why is pension matter lingering? Any
No, my
difficulty? Who are you? You are the retired employee?
Yes, Your Lordship.
When did you retire?
I retired on 28/2/2025, Your Lordship.
Okay. Working in PHE.
I was working as a driver, Your Lordship. It's a sanctioned post, Your Lordship.
Why? What's the difficulty? Why can't you file
There's,
affidavit?
my lord, I have sent them for signatures. I just need a week's time, my lord, for the signatures to come back so I can file my affidavit.
Ms. Waiban submits that you have to be filed within 1 week. You? Why?
I received instruction.
However, MSEB Passat for number 8 says that without 2 weeks time. According to this, a matter of 2 weeks.
I know, oblige.
For affidavits.
55.
File.
File, Your Lordship.
What about number 1 and 4? Yes.
Your Lordship,
What do you want today?
Your Lordship, we've received rejoinders on behalf of respondents 2, 3, and 4. Your Lordship, there's urgency in the matter, Your Lordship. I'm prepared to extend arguments. Therefore, I pray if Your
What's the
Lordship.
matter about?
Your Lordship, the matter pertains
You
to.
ready today with the matter?
Yes, Your Lordship, to argue today.
Yes, you ready? What's the matter about? Yes.
Your Lordship, it's regarding a public appointment in the Directorate of Economics and Statistics for the post of primary investigator and computer. The petitioner herein had applied for the post under the sportsperson category.
and he had submitted the required certificates. He's a national level badminton player. Therefore, he was eligible as per the advertisement. He appeared for the screening test, and therein he attempted, and after that he was not called for the personal interview. Now at that point the mark sheet had not been shared, so the petitioner did not know whether he met the cutoff or not. However, after several follow-ups with MPSC, he was told that the mark sheet will be released after the final result is declared. So once the final result was declared, it was stated therein that there was no applicant under the sportsperson category. Therefore, the seat remains vacant.
So, what he had categorically put in his application that he was sportsperson?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Where is that?
Your Lordship, the documents that he submitted are annexure number 2, Your Lordship.
And let's see annexure 1 first. Where did he say for sportsperson as a quota?
Yes, Your Lordship.
The advertisement, where does it say?
Your Lordship, on page number 17, row number 2, primary investigator computer, if you see under category numbers for Khasi Jaintia, there are 7 vacancies inclusive of 1 post for sportsperson.
Yes. Now what happened after that? Where's your application?
Your Lordship, on annexure 2 are the certificates that we submitted. And annexure 3.
Have all the posts been filled up now?
Your Lordship,
7 posts.
recruitment process is completed from our end, Your
And
Lordship.
7 posts have been recommended for appointment.
Your Lordship, it's
So
for
he's
the
left out in the
department
poll.
concerned.
We have not received any of such communication to say to recruit him, my lord. We are waiting for the decision of the MPSC. They have not told us anything.
No recommendations have been sent by the MPSC or not to
Yeah,
the appointing authority.
We have not received any.
You're positive about that? What do you see in the affidavit?
My affidavit says that, my lord, in view of the nature and grievance of the petitioner, which directly pertains to the recruitment process conducted by MPSC, the answering deponent awaits for the decision to be taken by the MPSC.
And in
Lordship-
your affidavit, you said that it's already complete.
Your Lordship,
Have you already sent
Your Lordship, as per Annexure 7 of the writ petition, Your Lordship, it's the result of the select list of the set posts, Your Lordship. And there's
No,
some
regarding recommendation. See, select list is fine, but when appoint, I mean, like, whether you've sent the list, this is Annexure 7 here. 30, you have recommended 13 candidates for 7
Your
posts,
Lordship.
correct? Yeah, so 13.
Yes.
Yes.
There were some more posts, Your Lordship, were not filled due to the.
But then if you see out here in the notification, you say that there are no eligible candidates under sports person category from both Khasi Jaintia and Garo. Or is it a particular sport or any sport?
Any sports, Your Lordship. But
Then
here, Your Lordship.
how was it
the-
overlooked?
Your Lordship, here the petitioner, as Your Lordship, if you would come to my affidavit, Annexure 3, page 10, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, this is the OMR sheet of the petitioner, Your Lordship.
You mean he failed?
No, Your Lordship. Here, Your Lordship, if you would come to the column of series, the second box, Your Lordship, it's written here, are you a sports person? And he highlighted as no.
Where is that?
Your Lordship, page 10,
Yes.
third box, series, under the heading of series. Next
Yes.
box is, are you a sports person?
Why did she didn't know?
Your Lordship, it was an inadvertent error.
Then?
We admit that.
And
However,
Error,
Your Lordship,
you can't hold accountable.
Your Lordship,
OMR sheet is not read by a person, it's just fed to machine.
Yes, Your Lordship,
Then-
exactly.
So are you asking for correction OMR sheet? Have you wrote to them?
Your Lordship, we made a
They have-
representation.
we have-
However, we became aware about this error only after the result was declared,
Yeah.
because this was not told to
That
us.
is the own error.
However, Your
Why
Lordship,
should
there
you
are
put the onus on them?
Your
Is
Lordship,
there a
I will-
question of them any illegal action on their part that they have
Your
deprived
Lordship,
of
there are
employment?
judgments noting the fact that technology is supposed to be a tool for
You
convenience.
prepare yourself. I thought that's some urgency. You prepare for hearing.
Your
Bring
Lordship,
some
even
stuff
before
first.
submitting, 15 minutes before the exam starts, we distribute the OMR sheet and instructions are behind the OMR sheet. How to
If
fill.
you're a sports person,
Your Lordship, there are a number of judgments which note the fact that these
yes,
instructions are given.
You prepare yourself. Yes. The defensive mind report is that you have no case. Yes, heard at some length. General Counsel is permitted to bring forth authorities to show that a finalized and corrected Omar sheet can be recalled for correction. Yes.
Highly advised.
56.
Hearing. No. Honey. What is it? Huh?
May it please your Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of all the... My Lord, I'm praying for some more time, my Lord.
Any further respondent?
No, my Lord. All...
As prayed for the 2 weeks time allowed. Affidavit, yes.
57.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Yes, my lord.
Affidavit ready?
My lord, I have not filed my affidavit, my lord. We have written to them twice, but nobody's responding. Please give me 1 week's time, my lord. I'll write to
I
them
will make
again.
officers stand here with the records. You'll save the problem of drafting affidavit.
No,
This power time of 2 weeks. For the time was prayed allowed for affidavit. Let's
First,
draft
let's
something.
58.
Any further respondent?
My lord, 58, 59, 60 and 61. This is a case pertaining to, my lord, a release of DCRG, my lord. They are school teachers. So, my lord, this
Where is the
matter,
affidavit?
my lord, this is come, my lord, we are waiting instruction. This is for the second time, my lord, the matter has come.
Just after 3 weeks time was prayed allowed.
62.
We have no idea, but this is regarding salary, my lord, not payment of salary. Working as DRDA. We are appointed by the district.
Any affidavit necessary?
Made pleases your lordship. Lordship, I have the instruction to appear for the respondent number 3. That is the DRDA, your lordship.
DRDA. Yes. Against a scheme, Mr. Sangma. Yes. What about 1 and 2? Who's appearing? Ms. N.G. Shila.
Lordship.
1 and 2.
My lord.
Yes, Mr. N.D. Shulai today, 3G has submitted that he will be representing respondent number 3.
Lordship.
The other respondents 1 and 2 are present by Ms. N.G. Shila, same advocate. Just after 2 weeks for affidavits.
Lordship. Only in item 62, your lordship, I am appearing. Not in the other.
62 and 68, lordship. It's the same connected matter.
62.
60.
Must be less, lordship.
63.
All connected matters, my lord.
63 to 68, my lord.
67. Lordship. Much obliged, Lord.
68.
Lordship, my lord, Lordship, I was suspended by order dated 14th June, Lordship. And it's been.
Well, I am yet to receive instruction. I pray for some time, Lordship.
It's a review of suspension.
Lordship,
You get instructions, yes.
My lord, just give me some time, my lord.
Yes, 1 week for that time.
Lordship, yeah, for 1 week, Lordship. Because I am due to retire on.
To obtain instructions, even if I wouldn't record it, obtain instruction, even not well. I've just find out whether the review is done or not.
Lordship, I'm due to retire on 31st December, Lordship. This year, Lordship.
If Lordship can make it 10 days, my lord.
What's 1 week, Lordship?
10 days, my lord.
1 week, they'll be
1 week,
10 days, be specific.
Lordship. All right.
69.
Otherwise, Mr. Sen, if there's no review, he'll be reinstated.
Let me place the instruction.
Yes.
Some instruction is awaited from the state respondent, lordship. Some instruction is awaited, lordship. And I have taken step to the other respondent, lordship.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 5.
5 is?
5 is the bank.
Yes,
bank.
bank.
Why you frozen the account?
The instruction from the.
How much amount is frozen? Your whole account.
13, the amount has been put lien, rupees 13 lakhs, lordship. But the disputed amount to 80, lordship. And it is not that I have played the fraud. Some fraudulently obtained money has.
You obtain instructions. We'll have it after 1 week.
My lord, yes.
My lord, if I may submit, my lord. My lord, in terms
You
of
got a
the
status
order,
or not?
lordship, I have received,
Yes.
my lord. If I may please, before my lord,
What does the status say?
My lord, actually, my lord, the bank account was frozen, my lord, in view of the fact that the complaint was lodged, my lord, in the cyber helpline in Tamil Nadu, my lord. And it appears, my lord, that the account is suspected to be involved in the cybercrime fraud registered within the jurisdiction of Cybercrime Police Station, Tirupur City, Tamil Nadu, my lord.
So how much money was deposited to your account?
My lord?
How much money was transferred to your account?
280 lordship, 2,80,000.
Deposit your account?
Yes, lordship, because and I put up an application since neither I know the person who has sent the money nor the complainant, lordship. Then I put up an application to the bank saying that kindly reverse the amount, and I am running little short of amount money, lordship, because I have having at present 2 lakhs in the account. So I said that at least I may be allowed to put some money in the account so that you can reverse the amount.
You have to implead these Tamil Nadu people.
I have implemented, lordship.
Oh, steps have been taken?
Yes, lordship.
And you are paying for 5 only?
Yes, bang.
Let's see.
That Superintendent of Police, Tamil Nadu Cybercrime, and then Sub Inspector of Police, lordship.
Notice not received?
Yes, lordship. My lord, today I am not praying for, here lordship, 141 a notice has been issued. So I am not praying for any interim protection, lordship. On the next day, lordship, 3 and 4.
3 is state?
No, lordship.
No,
3 is that Superintendent of Police. That
Tamil Nadu, my lord, 3 and 4.
Yes, order sheet, as per the order sheet, notices not yet been served. Yes, office note indicates that ED card on behalf of 1, 3 and 4 is yet to be received. MS is in them with the appearance we have on behalf of 1 number 5 today. She pays for 1 week time to obtain instructions. This is a matter of 1 week for service report on 3 and 4. Petitioner also permitted to obtain status in the meanwhile. Yes. Meanwhile, stop. It is Mr. Jain Ranja has furnished a status report dated 19 November 2025. Is taken on record. Yes. But hearing that? So orders. We'll have the hearings afterwards. In hearing, who's in the hearing?
17.
One matter is there only, my lord. Only I was directed to file an affidavit to bring on record, my lord, whether the admission will be given to me by the university or not. That I have filed, my lord. That, my lord, since we have already closed our arguments, my lord, necessary order may be passed, my lord.
The admission is for next year.
Next session, this March, my lord.
And our case is that it is not a matter of right, my lord.
Then we have already argued in length, my lord. So only the affidavit, my lord, has said, my lord, that directed me to file an affidavit.
No, we'll post it next week. We'll try to finish up in open court only.
Yes.
Yes.
70.
This 70.
This is the 70, my lord, right?
And the other
71.
71. 21, Mr. You ready?
I have just to inform the court that 3 petitioners have retired, your lordship.
Number, which is the matter?
Yeah,
71.
71.
71. Yes, where's Mr. Sen?
He's in the premises, your lordship. Your lordship, on the last occasion, your lordship directed us to produce the letter dated 31/3/2011.
Yeah. What does it say?
UGC is yet to clarify, your lordship. No clarification.
Petitions based on a scheme called a casual grant temporary status and regularization scheme. Where's Mr. Sen?
Second page, your lordship.
Yes.
Second page, your lordship.
Second page. There's 6 plus 1 day, 5 plus 1 day. That matter, right? 6 plus 1 day.
1 day.
That matter, yes. Where's Mr. Sen? 11 next week, Mr. Dutta.
Okay.
This is matter of deferred hearing. Next week, yes.
Obliged.